Hello my fellow family foodie friends.
Welcome back to my channel. I am posting on an abnormal day because I couldn't pass up the opportunity to collaborate with the wonderful Shaunna of Mrs. Dickinson 1910. She's hosting a Hocus Pocus spooky collaboration. And I had to join in because I love Halloween, I love being festive, and I love participating. FOMO anyone? Anyways, I had already planned to make a delicious Halloween treat for my kids, and it was bomb.com. They loved it. So today I am sharing with you Halloween shaped pizza crescent poppers. I'm gonna go with that. I don't even know what they're called. But I got the most adorable Halloween pan. You can find them at TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart. It's like a Wilkin brand thing. There are many brands that carry these dark non-stick pans that have shapes on them. Last year I really wanted to find a skull one and I wasn't successful, but this year I found a ghost and pumpkin one and I've seen them actually quite a few places. So I was really excited to get my hands on one, and I like the idea of two different designs, and my kids of course loved picking out, I want a pumpkin, I want a ghost, and it was a lot of fun.
So this is an extremely simple meal. This is more for the creativity inspiration, but I have prepackaged crescent rolls, butter, packaged pepperoni, shredded mozzarella, Parmesan cheese in a can, and we personally all love green olives. You can see the very first thing that I'm doing is I am heavily coating each of these little cups with a ton of melted butter. You don't want to let any space go untouched because you want these babies to pop right out. And I have two crescent rolls. I have not pulled them apart. You are going to press the seam together as best as you can. So each one of these is two crescent rolls. I put 5 pepperonis and then a handful of shredded cheese. You fold it into itself, and the important part is you want to keep the folded part up and press the unfolded part in because you want the cavity to take shape and you don't want to have all your bumpy folds in there. That'll make them as pretty as possible. I let each of my kids stuff their own and press it into the mold, so that's what you saw my son doing. He also wanted to help me butter. He loves to help in the kitchen, and even though he's only 3, he's getting the hang of a lot of things, and it's fun to cook with him. So once they are all shoved into the cavity, I am melting more butter because we're going for healthier people, and spreading that on top of each of these crescent rolls. And then we're going to sprinkle it with grated Parmesan. You could add garlic salt, you could add onion powder, you could add Italian seasoning, you could add whatever you want on top of here, but I was going for simple. And I put them in the oven according to directions on the crescent rolls, and then watched them pretty carefully until I could see it being golden on the edges there. And although the top doesn't look golden, look how pretty they are for the portions that were on the dark pan, and I didn't want to burn. These are really good, and they're super duper fluffy. The crescent roll, it gives it a perfect fluff, and I'm just serving it with some marinara sauce and my homemade applesauce. I will link below to the applesauce recipe, and this meal was just super warm and comforting and perfect for a fall day. There is still time to prime yourself a pan.
If you like this Hocus Pocus video, make sure you check out the playlist. And if you've already went through the playlist and you're looking for something else, you can check out my Hey Jimmy Kimmel. I told my kid I ate his Halloween candy video right here. I'm doing it again this year and I can't wait, but here's my last year's submission. Wow.